Hello friends, in this video we will see what is JavaScript and features of JavaScript. What is JavaScript? JavaScript is a lightweight object-oriented scripting language which is used by several websites for scripting the web pages. The JavaScript translator is embedded in the browser and it is responsible for translating the JavaScript code for web browsers. JavaScript programming language was developed by Netscape in 1995. Now we'll see features of JavaScript. All popular web browsers supports JavaScript. JavaScript follows the syntax and structure of C programming language. It uses prototype rather than using classes for inheritance. JavaScript is lightweight and interpreted language. It's a case-sensitive language and it provides good control to the users over the web browsers. JavaScript used for adding interactive behavior to web pages, like showing or hiding more information with click of button or changing the color of a button when mouse hovers over it. We can slide through a carousel of images on home page, zooming in and zooming out on an image, displaying a timer or countdown on a website, playing the audio and video in the web page, displaying animations, creating a web and mobile apps. Developers can use various JavaScript frameworks for developing and building web and mobile applications. This is an example of JavaScript and its output. Thanks for watching.